Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for the time for me. I am Fatkul Anam from Wijaya Kusuma University at Surabaya. I will bring my paper titled Digital Literacy Research, a Scientometric Mapping over the past 22 years. Introduction. The 4.0 Industrial Revolution that developed at an exponential pace is currently characterized by several new technologies such as robots, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. The problem of education in the modern era and the industrial era 4.0 is how change in thinking patterns, way of learning, and creative innovation action make students competitive in the global market. Digital literacy refers to the ability to understand and use information described via a computer or electronic device in different sources and formats. Thus, the education sector throughout the world began to integrate digital literacy into the curriculum. Research gap. It has been researched yet the nation about digital literacy review which showed the big picture using data from all countries. Also, it has been researched yet the nation that specifically state about the relationship with term, affiliations, keywords, and the impact of the research. Purpose. This research aims to study the status of international digital literacy research that is indexed by Scopus using scientometric mapping. Research method. The study has mapped the status of digital literacy research visually at the international level indexed by Scopus for the past 22 years. This research has obtained data using the document search service feature on Scopus in April 2020. Studies have conducted scientometric methods and analyzed research data using the VUS Viewer application and the Scopus Analyzer Research Service. The survey has identified keywords related to digital literacy to search for and identify related articles in the Scopus database for 2,749 academic documents published from 1997 to 2019 at the global level. The query command that has been applied when mining data on Scopus the title EBSK Digital Literacy and Top Year under 2020. Document based on the Research Institute affiliation of Digital Literacy Research. The affiliated research institute that has the largest contribution in digital literacy research shown in Figure 2 is Monash University with 29 documents. Document based on the most common author of digital literacy research. The author with the most publication on digital literacy research is Marx G with 11 documents. Document based on the most common countries of digital literacy research. The country that has the largest contribution to digital literacy research shown in Figure 4 is the United States with 735 documents. Document based on sponsored funding of digital literacy research. The most sponsor funding in digital literacy research at the international level is the National Science Foundation with 17 documents. Document based on subject areas of digital literacy research. The most subject areas in digital literacy research at the international level is social science with 1585 documents, 42.4%. Document based on types of digital literacy research. The most common document type in digital literacy research in articles with 1585 documents, 57.7%. Documents per year based on sources from digital literacy research. The highest number of sources in digital literacy research is the ECM International Conference Proceeding Series with 65 documents. The documents cited of digital literacy research. The most cited international level of digital research publication as a form of academic impact is Baudet D. Robinson in 2009, entitled The Dark Side of Information, Overload, Unexcited, and Other Paradoxes and Pathologies, in the Journal of Information Science, cited by 392. Map of the research teams. Construction on the digital literacy keyword network for the research team map was built with the VOS Viewer application. The criterion for a minimum number of documents related to keyword is 5 repetition. So from 6,896 keywords, there are only 534 keywords that meet the threshold. Map of research teams: Learning cluster, Information communication cluster, Technology cluster, Human cluster, Education cluster. Learning cluster that training skill knowledge, Information communication cluster that learning management system, IPAC. Technology cluster, empowerment, social network sites, globalization. Human cluster, keyword age, psychology, health literacy. Education cluster, learning system, skills, e-learning. Other networks. Riku 10 shows that there were two groups of construction patterns in the authors' collaboration network in digital literacy research compiled with the VOS Viewer application. Thus, from 5,347 writers, 47 authors were found who meet the threshold. There were two groups of collaboration patterns between researchers in digital literacy studies. The red cluster consists of Martin Winslow, Jennifer Russell, and Jackie Marsh. These authors have collaboration in digital literacy research. The green cluster consists of Kay Mason and Cora Barnett. These authors have collaboration in digital literacy research. Conclusion. The result of this study indicate the status of the map and the increasing trend of the number of digital research at the international level. The most productive countries research on institution and individual research in digital literacy research are the United States with 735 documents, Monash University with 29 documents, and Marshall J with 11 documents. The term of contributing implication to knowledge, this research proposed a convergence access classification consisting of digital literacy research to characterize the body of knowledge generated from 2 decades of research, learning, information communication, technology, human, and education, abbreviated as LIT teams. In terms of contributing implication to knowledge, this research proposed a convergence access classification consisting of digital literacy research to characteristics the body of knowledge generated from 2 decades of research, learning, information communication technology, human, and education, abbreviated as LITETIMES.